Do you know your TikTok account has 2 names? Do both of them say what you want? I'll show you how to change them. Coming right up. Hey everyone, I'm Tiffany, and lately I've been noticing that not everyone on TikTok is taking advantage of both places where you can brand your account. Let's get right on into TikTok so I can show you what I mean. So these are the 2 places where you can have your name for your TikTok account. One is at the very top of your profile, and the other one is immediately under your profile picture. Now, the username, as the @name is called underneath your profile picture, well, that is the one that has to be unique. So you can see here for this account that I just started a week ago. Well, I hate to admit it, but I wasn't the first Tiffany Inc. out there. So I went Tiffany ... Inc. And then for my profile name, I actually changed it a little bit just to clean it up a bit and make it look more like my YouTube channel, Tiffany Inc. with some capitals and a dot after the C. But your username is what shows up on every like and conversation and follows. So it's pretty important that you have a decent one if you're branding yourself for your company or your image. Oh, and in case you're wondering why I managed to have a link on this profile, even though I'm just starting out, it's only a week old and I just have 39 followers. That's because currently this TikTok profile is in a business account on TikTok. And I have a whole other video on that if you want to debate whether you should be on creator versus business. You know, I'll show you another account that I run with my husband just to show you how the names can be slightly different but similar. So we were lucky to get Hammer and Home exactly as we wanted it, and then we kind of are interchangeable whether we use and or ampersand, and often on our YouTube channel and obviously here for the username on TikTok you cannot use ampersand. I believe it only lets you use letters and numbers and dots, but certain symbols are out of the question. So just for the heck of it, I put ampersand up top in our page name there. Oh, and here on my lifestyle TikTok, which I have done nothing with yet, I did get the name I wanted, and then I kept my profile name at the top of my page the exact same, Blue Bezos. But I should point out here that the name at the top of the page does not have to be unique. I also want to show you some examples of people who don't have both names activated, so you can see exactly what I mean here. Okay, here's one. So Posh Homes YYC, they got this really great username that no one else can have now because they bought the real estate, so to speak. They named their @name, but they haven't yet taken the next step of making their other name match. So they just have this super long, crazy username with a number that was automatically assigned by TikTok. So my advice to Posh Homes YYC is, why not have that say exactly what you want it to say? It might not be Posh Homes YYC, it might be, I think this is a real estate account, so it might be the name of the real estate agent, whatever is going to work best for them. Okay, here's another example, Calgary Beauty Nurse. What an excellent username. That's a unique name. No one else can have it now. They got the @name, but they haven't yet gone in and taken the next step of changing their auto-generated TikTok name. Of course, this account doesn't have any content yet, so they're probably not in a rush. Well, now I'll go into my account and just show you exactly how you change this name. So when you are on your profile page, and to do that, you click on the Me button at the bottom there to get to this place where you can edit your profile. So when you go into edit profile, you can see your 2 names right at the top, name and username. Well, username is the one that is unique, and you can see right now that I can't even tap on it to change it because this account is so young. You can only change your username once every 30 days, and this account is only a week or so old. We'll cancel that and we'll go back out to name, because you can change that name whenever the heck you want. So say I wanted to take the dot out. Voila! Now I have changed my my name to be Tiffany Inc. without the dot. And now that is what shows up at the top. Hey, are you getting value out of this video? If so, give it a like. Thanks! For everyone else who's got this situation where they've got this great username when they set up their account, but they didn't realize they needed to change their name. Name is where you do it. It's on top, just like it's on top of your profile page. And it doesn't have to be unique, and you can change it as often as you like. Let me know in the comments if this helped you, if you've had any challenges or problems changing your username, or if you want ideas for your name. You know, a good place to start is for them to match. But if it works for you to change it, or you change your mind down the road, you always have that opportunity. Subscribe for more creator tips like this, and I will see you in the next video.